Question number 5. Question number 5. Use the table below of the draw a line graph. First question, the number of day of the hill is a record of the different year. Okay, this is the given data and draw the line graph. Okay, now draw the line linear graph. So first you draw part A. Okay, this is the graph paper and the question number 1A. Okay, first will be draw a two axis. Two axis means first you draw a one horizontal line and one vertical line. Okay, and the zero is row is x and here will be write y axis. Okay, and question is asked year and day. In down is a year axis, you draw the year. Okay, and scale will give. Okay, so that will start is 2003. Okay, and after 2 is 2004, after 2 is 2005, and after 2 is 2006, and after 2 is 2007. Okay, is given the table. In the year is 2003, 2004, 2000. Now in the important point will start to directly 2003 and here will be 0. So there 2 year will be lapse. So you draw this line will this time. Okay, and upside will go is its column is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, 14. Okay, and write the scale. For the scale, this x-axis is in 2 unit. 2 square means 2 unit is equal to 1 year. In between 2 number of square is 2, it means this is a 2 is unit, and here is a 1 year difference, that 1 year. And y axis is a 1 unit is equal to is a 2, it is the days, in here is a year, so that the y axis is 2 days. Here will be one block, you write the one block. This type of sign is not, this is the comparing count. Okay, so because you start the 0 to 4, so each difference will be 2. Suppose you start the 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, so they will 4 number will be left, so they will compact. Okay, now draw the diagrams. First is 2000. According to table you have draw. First table is asked 2003 is 8, so that you go is the point is 2003 is a day is 8 and 2004 is number of days is a 10, so that is a 10 and 2004 lines will be join the line is point. Okay, now next is 2005. 2005 is a 5, so where is the 5 between the 6 and 4, the midline is a 5 in 2005, so that you write in this line and 2005 line this. Okay, the 2005 and this is the 5, and next to 2006 is 12, so this is the 6th line in 2006. Okay, so this they complete your graph and join the point by the ruler. Yes, this So this is complete the line graph. Okay, and now second you read population in thousand. Population is 1,000 and man and woman is the village a different year. Okay, in a different year. In 2003 the number of men is 12 and number of women is 11.3. Okay, and 2004 is 12.5 and 11.9. 2005 is 13 is equal here with number of men and women. In 2006 in 13.2 and 13.6 and 13.5 and 12.8 in year 2008. So first will be x-axis, you draw the year, and here will be in one graph will be you draw two lines, men's and women's. So in this question the dotted line and straight line. Okay, so again you one graph paper using and draw the x-axis. Okay, you write the x-axis and here will be write year. First year is a given the is 2003, again 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2007, and last is 2008. Okay, and vertically line you draw and show on the vertical line is number of men and women. Okay, so here will be digit is point view. Point view you write the, now here will be you write this type sign and start to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and then 15. This is the number of man and woman, and write the arrow and write the step of second is scale. Scale is x-axis. X-axis is 2 unit because 2 square will used 2 unit is equal to 1 year, and y-axis is 1 unit is 1 number. Okay, scale is complete, and now draw the figure bar graph. First will be draw, and here we will write a dotted line, a two color line. Suppose you write the black color will be man and pink color will be used woman. Okay, so first will be draw a man. The number of man in year 2003 is 12. The 2003, okay, 2003 is 12. So first is a number is 12, and second is 2004. Is 2004 is 12.5. 12.5 is between 12 and 13. So there 2004 is the line is 2.5, center line is 12.5. Next is 13. They will write the 13 in this point. This is the 13th dot. Now you put the dot, and next is 13. In this 1 square is total number of line is 10. Okay, in the number of line is 10. So one line is 0.1, two line is 0.2, and 10th line is 1, 9th line is 0.9. So there 13.2 means 13 will complete, and next two line is 0.2. Okay, so here will be now 2006 is 13 point. This is the 13 and 2 lines. So there 6, and this is the 13 and 2 lines will 13.2, and next is 2007 is 13.5 to 2007, and this is the mid of the 13 and 40 is okay. Now it is the complete, and join the by ruler point to point. This is the showing the a detail of man's. Okay, next will be in use the pink color, orange color for the man, so that the man quantity is first is given number of women is 11.3 in year 2003. 11.3, 11 will complete and 0.3, okay, and 2004 is 11.9, 2004 11.9, then before 12 is last first line down of, suppose this is a 12, the first line is 12.11.9, okay. Now 2005 is a 13 is the same, okay. Next is 13.6, 2006 is 13.6, this is a line of 13, and 13.5, and next 1 point, this is the 10 line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. And this is the 13, 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.5, 13.6, 13.7, 13.8, 13.9, and this is the 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is the 13.2. 13.2 means after two numbers, okay. And 2007 is 12.8. Here is the 12, 12 and 13. Again you 12 and here 13 to 12.8 is the 8th line. So the 8th line will here, okay, and join. First, second point will join, third point joined, and here is the fourth point will be joined. So this is the complete in your question, okay. So this the scale is very important, and they suppose you have used the only pencil, or this is the work of pencil, but you have draw a color pencil, not use the color pen, but you have show on the graph which color will be used the man and woman, okay. Suppose you have draw only pencil, so your man will be direct with pencil and woman will be by the dot. Question number 6. Question number 6 is crossing person cycling in the town is nobody in separate area of the deliver package of the merchant. His distance from the town is different time. Show the following graphs. Okay, here we will study to graph. If the horizontal line will show the time 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and vertically line will be show the distance in kilometer, and 1 hour will be cover the 10 kilometer distance. After 9 to 10 is the cover is 16 kilometer, the straight line will point, and 10 to 11 will no any change to in this, okay. And 1 2 3 4 is the 4 blocks will be used. It's mean the midpoint of after 2 blocks if the time is 8:30, here is a 9:35, and here is a 10:30, and mid of the 11:30, okay. Here is the continuation is a 1 block is 2 unit, okay. So now according to this graph you solve the following questions. First question is what will the scale taken for the time axis. This is the time axis, okay. And time axis will be follow the how many blocks, 4 blocks will be taken 1 hour, 1 2 3 4. It's mean you write 4 unit is equal to 1 hour, okay. 1 2 3 4 4 blocks, 1 blocks is 1 unit asked, then 1 2 3 4 4 unit is the 1 hour. After 4 unit the second hour and third similarly. Okay, now second, how many time did the person taken for the travels? How many times will taken the person take the travel? In the show the diagram is the person is how many times will the person take a travel? So that is the travel time is you show in this is the travel time is 1 hour. Second will be travel in 2 hour, and half hour is a rest, same position, no distance cover, and next half will be and then. So this is 1 and 2 and 1 here, 1 and here half, so total 1 2 3. This means total time travel is 3 1 upon 2 hour. Okay, because half hour in a no discover the distance, half hour is 10 and 10:30 is not distance cover the distance, so this is the rest time, and 8 to 9 9 to 10 is a continue find the distance, and after 10:30 will cover the distance. So day 1.5 2 and 1 and day, so 3 hours will be make a travel. Okay, now third question is how far in the place of the merchant from the town. Okay, so this is a total distance will cover, how will the place will the merchant will be town is the third question. The start to 0 and total distance will cover is 22 kilometer, so that is 22 kilometer. Okay, and next is question number D, did the person stop on his way? Okay, did the person stop on his way? Yes, it is the half hour is a rest. Okay, so his answer is yes. It's explain. Now explain. This has been included by the horizontal part of the graph. Okay, he stay from 10 to 10:30, stay from 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Okay, and asked during which period did he the right fasted. So here will be cover the first half will be cover the distance is 10, second half will be cover the 16 minus 10 is equal to 6, मतलब this is the distance is 6, and here will 22 and this is the 16, there's 6 and here will be 10, so this is the first hour, means between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. is the fastest rided, because the distance is covered 10 kilometer, and different 9 to 10 is only 6 kilometer, and 11 to 12 is covered to only 6 kilometer. Can they be a time taken graph? This is the 4 graphs is a time taken graphs, and the followings justify your answer. Okay, now first answer. The first question you do, they are line graph, linear graph. Okay, the time will be continue increase and temperature are automatic continue increase, so both quantity are continue increase. So you write it is, what is the showing? It is showing the increase in temperature. Okay, temperature is increase. And second is a temperature is decrease, because temperature first is a highest, second low, low is a, here will be it is showing the temperature is decrease. Decrease the temperature. Okay. And question number third in the three draft is called the temperature is constant. Temperature is increase but time is constant. Okay, so it is only one time, at the one time is temperature is increase, means suppose it is a time is 9 a.m. and temperature will increase only 9 a.m. temperature will increase 1 2 3 4 and 10, so and it is not possible. At the time is temperature is not increasing, so it is not possible. It is not possible since temperature is increase, temperature is increase very rapidly, which is not possible. Okay, and here will be temperature, time is increase but temperature is constant. Okay, so you write it is fourth is it is showing it is showing the constant temperature.